So today's video is going to, oh wait, let me close my box. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It is a very, very sunny day today. I am filming quite early. I usually film a little bit later in the day, but hi, hello, how have you been? Look at me guys, drinking water instead of coffee. I already finished my coffee, so. But today's video is oh wait, I already said that. Hey guys. I usually have more to say in the intro, but I guess we can begin. We can just get right in, huh? So usually I tell you what the theme of the box is this month and what it's called, but mine accidentally didn't come with a card. So I can't tell you the price. I just realized I can't tell you the prices. Let me check the Boxycharm website. Hello, Boxycharm. You forgot my card. Maybe I can just Google these products and I'll figure out the price that way. So let's begin. So the first thing in this box is this giant fatty right here. This is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This is $18 on the Tarte website. And I love micellar water. I love trying new ones. My favorite one is Bioderma. I have never in my life, and I've tried a lot, I've never found something as good as Bioderma. I don't know why, but every other micellar water stings my eyes except Bioderma. It's very bizarre, but I'm really excited to try this one. I've never tried this out before. I mean, they all pretty much do the same thing. I just, for some reason, I really love my Bioderma, you know? But I'm excited for this. I love that it comes out like this, you know? I like the packaging. You know what? Let's try some. I don't have any makeup on, but I have a little bit on my eyes. I washed my face already, but let's see. Okay, I forgot I ran out of cotton rounds. I need to place another order on Sephora. I love those Kojando wipes. They're really good. I'm using a towel. I recommend really soft cotton pads, not a towel, but are you new here? If you are, hi, subscribe to my channel. So far it feels really nice. The scent is pleasant-ish, you know. Oh, you know what? Now that I'm reading the back of this bottle, oh my gosh, I think this is what I'm gonna start doing. Okay, so story time. I have been getting breakouts after working out because I touch my face a lot and I'm just a freaking mess. Oh, look. My towel is a bit dirty. That worked as an exfoliator as well. But, you know, it took some stuff off. My face feels really clean, really nice. I'm into it. But like I was saying, the back of this bottle says you can use it on the go to remove your makeup, whatever you want, even after a gym session. Maybe if I start like cleaning my face like right after the gym with some micellar water, I won't get some breakouts. Or maybe I could just like wash my face right after the gym. Maybe that'll help. But anyway, so far so good. We got another skincare type of product in the box. This is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. You can actually find this product at Ulta and it is $59. I'm very intrigued to try this and it has really, really good reviews on Sephora. It says, these resurfacing facial pads act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator. All right, we're gonna double exfoliate this morning after I just assassinated my face with a towel. So this is an innovative and refining treatment that enhances the dynamic resurfacing routine, replacing the need for harsh exfoliators. I'm into that. Gently encourages the skin's surface cell renewal cycle and prepares the skin for optimal results. It rejuvenates, revitalizes, and smooths while boosting radiance for a luminous complexion. I actually really like this scent. It smells like skincare-y, if you know what I mean, but with a hint of something, and I don't know what that something is, but it's a little hint of deliciousness. Mild, but it's there. Oh, I'm looking at the ingredients and fragrance is like one of the ingredients. Parfum. It's literally one of the ingredients. So I'd rather not have parfum in my skincare ingredients, and I'd rather it smell like nothing, or I rather it smell like herbally or something kind of strange but natural versus a perfume, unless this is like a natural perfume, but I don't think so. It says fragrance. But okay, I'm gonna continue to wear this. It has like AHAs in it. This seems to be a really nice chemical exfoliator, so I'm gonna continue to use it, update you guys in the future. But now that I am cleaned and exfoliated, I'm actually gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. Well, actually the rest of my face makeup, because I do have a couple of eye products to test out and a lip, so BRB. Okay, so I did all of my face makeup like I said. I have on my Infallible foundation from L'Oreal, my Beauty Bakery Instabake concealer, Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer, my Persona Georgia blush. It's a really pretty beigey color, beigey pink. And then my OFRA and Samantha March highlight for the highlight. But now I'm gonna go into the next product in the box. and it does. So this is from a brand called Pretty Vulgar, and this is their eyeshadow primer. I've used Pretty Vulgar a few times in the past. I haven't been like crazy about their stuff, but I haven't like hated it either. But this is a full-size eyeshadow primer, and it is 22 bucks on their website, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyes. I think this is like a clear, colorless eyeshadow primer. Oh no, it comes out with a color, but I think it goes clear. Yeah, it like disappears. It comes out a creamy nude shade, but then it just like disappears into the skin. So hopefully this is like nice and sticky. I have a little bit of concealer on my lids from doing my under eyes. My lids look a little nuts. I tried to take it off as much as possible. Like I tried to remove the concealer off my lids, but some of it stayed there. Ooh, this is getting nice and tacky on my lid. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna take my ColourPop So Jaded palette, and I'm just gonna throw on like 2 eyeshadows just so that I have something on my lids. And I wanna see how color applies to my crease with that primer. I'm gonna take Royal Jewels, and I'm gonna use this color in my crease. I like that primer. I can tell right away when I'm using like one of those tacky colorless primers, I can tell right away if it's gonna be a formula I like by the way my crease shade applies. And this is going on really smooth. It's not skipping or anything. So I mean, I think the primer's good so far. Okay, so far that primer seems to be working really well. There is one more product to test out on the eyes, and it's from Haus Laboratories, and it's their Demi Matte Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Whiskey, which is their brown shade. I actually don't have this shade, I don't think. I have the black one, but I don't think I have this one. And this bad boy is $22. I love this soft touch packaging. So yummy. And let's see. Let's throw on a wing. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up the rest of my eye makeup, which was just doing the other eye and applying some mascara. And I've used this eyeliner in the past. I actually like it. I find this felt tip really easy to use. It's a little bit flimsy, so you can't get the perfect wing. Like you can't get it extremely sharp because it is a little bit thicker at the edge as well, but it's still really easy to use. It's very matte, and I really like this brown shade a lot. And then I threw on my Monsieur Big mascara and my Dose of Colors Truffle lip liner. And now we can move on to the last product in the box, which is this. I caught it. That reminds me of It Takes Two. Have you guys ever seen It Takes Two with Mary-Kate and Ashley? And they like switch, and so Ashley, well, that's not her name in the movie, but she's trying to be like the sporty one. She's trying to be more Mary Katie, and her character, Alyssa Calloway, is like not sporty at all. And when she catches the football, she's like, I caught it. No, ignore me. I just thought of that part when I said that. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna try on this liquid lipstick from the brand Appeal Cosmetics. This is their Ultra Crème liquid lipstick in the shade Sugar and Spice. And in case you're wondering, these retail for $21. I really like this shade, especially paired with this lip liner. It creates like a really nice toasty, burnt, rosy shade. Very into it. But okay guys, that's it. That completes this Boxycharm unboxing. I really love the box this month. I'm very excited to keep using this. I love trying out new chemical exfoliators, so this is very exciting. Very excited to continue to use this. I thought the eyeliner was good. The primer seems to be really great as well. And I really love the color of this liquid lipstick. I say this is a very successful box. I obviously don't have my card with me, and I don't remember the price of everything I said, but during editing I will add them all together. And I'm gonna put the overall value of this month's box right here on my little computer screen. That's the value this month, which is crazy considering you pay a lot less than that. So That's awesome. But anyway, guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what you got in your box this month. Did we get the same box? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my god, I am so white that I can't tell the difference between myself and my wall. Like, where do I end? Where does my wall begin? I see my hand in front of the computer, but when I go like this, it disappears.